This is impact tester for pipe, specially designed for HDPE, PVC, PPR pipe, and we will now see how the equipment is been assembled, supplied, and how you can use the equipment. So overall, starting from the base, it comes with a V block, and it is designed to go from 20 mm to 630 mm diameter pipe. So the V block is made in such a way that you can rest any of the pipe. And see, on the top we can see the mass has been fixed. We are going to bring it down to show you how you can fix the mass. So this particular equipment is with 25 mm diameter dart and 90 mm diameter dart with incremental weights. So ahead in this video we are going to see how to fix the assembly and how the operation is quite easy. So we are first, since I have fixed it already on the top, I am going to first show you how you can very easily fix the mass even at such a top height and how you can release it. So there are release levers given. We have given you two different levers. One is lying at the bottom and one is hanging over here. Two levers we are giving you, as the idea is to use two different types of dart with the incremental weights. And the pulley arrangement is given here. Two pulley arrangements are given. One is the extended pulley arrangement and one is along with the bracket, as you can see on the top. So one by one we will see how the testing and how we are going to check it out. At the same time, one lever and a stopper we have shown here. Now what is the use of this lever and stopper? So when the specimen, when the dart will release an impact on the pipe, it should not bounce back. So this lever will automatically protect it, stop it after one impact so that it doesn't bounce back. Okay, so now I have kept a pipe of 315 mm dia to just to see the impact and how the impact we are going to do. So see, this is in the extended lever area and tela bahar kad. Okay, so he is going to release and we will see the impact now on the pipe. Okay, releasing is very simple. So the impact tester, from the height we are going to, okay, one more important thing. See, we have provided the markings over here. 1 meter, then you can see 1.5 meter, and above there is 2 meter. Okay, so now on the top, if you see, the the hemispherical diameter of 90 mm is aligned with the axis of 2 meter. So this is how you have to fix it properly. If you see, of course we are going to show you further in this video, but the idea is that the surface contact will be aligned with the line, so the fixing arrangement will go above that. According to that we have designed the equipment. So now we are going to release it and we will see how it shows the impact. Okay, release. Okay, so it has created an impact, and now I will show you the position of the lock. See, now see this particular stud what we have given here. This, even if the striker tries to jump up, this is going to restrict it and block it over there, and to bring it back we have to push the lever and then bring it back. Okay, so I will show you how to take it up now. Okay, so see, now it is locked here, so we just push it back and then bring it up. So this is how we have assembled a complete mass on 90 mm diameter, and now he is going to lock it. You see how simple it is to lock it. See, he just pushed it up and he has locked it. So this is the method. Now we will bring the bracket down and show you how the bracket mounting is done in this video. Okay, So this is the assembly, as you can see from the front. This assembly is the one in which we are going to fix the dart. So the whole assembly will be fixed at what position when we deliver the dart? It will be fixed right on the top. So it is very simple, because you have to simply open the front two Allen bolts and adjust it up and down wherever you want. And once the position is fixed, then you simply lock it here. Make it straight and lock it. Okay. Now, one thing you know, that this particular assembly, is fixed just by using two Allen bolts. Okay. Now see, this assembly, the release mechanism assembly is being fixed only using these two bolts. Okay. Now how to do the adjustment with respect to this 1 meter, I will show you. So now you bring the weight up. Okay. So he will bring the weight up now and lock it inside. See, now here you can see the position. This hemispherical diameter, which is going to impact on the pipe, should be in line with this 1 meter axis which we have given you. So what we are going to do now we will make this loose and bring it up, make the adjustment and show you. Okay. So now, so quite simple, we are just going to push it up. Okay, take it up. Just put a scale here at the bottom to ensure that the position is maintained. Okay. So now it becomes your reference point where your impact is going to be exactly. That means from the surface, from the diameter, hemispherical diameter to the surface of the pipe, this particular height will be 1 meter, as we explain you. So we have already seen how to mount this and how to fix it up and adjust the height. After that, now when we are going to deliver you the equipment, this complete stainless steel assembly, if you see on the bracket, it is mounted using these bolts. Okay, all these bolts you can see. So when we are going to deliver it, we are going to loosen all these bolts and take this complete stainless steel assembly up to the base. Okay, so now when you receive the equipment, this particular fitment is going to be fixed right on the top, and the whole stainless steel column will come down and it will be just packed in the wooden box, just to reduce the height of the wooden box. So when you receive the equipment, only you have to loosen these bolts and push the whole steel assembly. See, now this steel assembly complete along with the profile is mounted on this back profile stand. So this you have to simply bring it up and ensure that the highest diameter pipe, suppose your highest diameter pipe is 300 mm. So just make sure that this gap is hardly 10 to 15 mm above the diameter of the particular pipe you are going to use, that's all. So this is how it is. So these particular incremental weights, we have given a stamping on each and every incremental weight. You can see 200 gram is mentioned. Accordingly, 200 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, as per the chronological order of requirement that is specified, all the incremental weights are given. Now why this lock is provided? This lock is provided just to ensure that when the dart falls down, if all the incremental weights are not locked with the base, then it is probable that they may be in air and the impacting mass might reduce. So this locking nut is very important whenever you are going to use it. Okay, so now see, right from the top I am showing you the video. Now when we are going to deliver this equipment, this will be permanently locked in the same fashion. That means all these incremental weights along with 90 mm diameter, hemispherical diameter dart, and this assembly will be permanently locked over here on the top, and then the assembly will be taken down and packed it. So now we are going to see how the smaller diameter dart assembly is going to be fixed, because when you are going to use the smaller diameter, this is going to remain as it is here, and so a separate lever and the pulling arrangement has been provided to you, which we are going to see now. So now this is a smaller assembly for 25 mm dart. We are going to show how to mount it. This is your smaller 25 mm hemispherical diameter dart we are offering. So we'll show you how the assembly will be done now. Okay, so now first we are just mounting it on the track. We removed this black back plate, and just we opened the two Allen bolts. These two Allen bolts we opened, and just fix this assembly, and now we are going to make it tight. So this assembly is for the smaller diameter. So whenever in short we have to take the trial with the 90 mm bigger dia with the higher weight, then we will be removing this assembly just by opening the two Allen bolts given at the back side. So now we are going to mount this and see a release of a smaller dart. Okay, so this dart we have to put from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom we take it up, and from the bottom, once we take it up, we will mount it in this smaller assembly. So now this is the smaller assembly that we have to mount for the smaller 25 mm diameter, and during this period the bigger one will always be mounted on the top as we have shown you. Okay, so now see, there is a release lever for this. You have seen this assembly is separately mounted. We have well mentioned release. So once you pull, you can release. We will show you now in the video. Okay, pull. So you pull and it will release on the bottom. Now it is very easy when you want to move to the upper height. No, this is very lightweight, so you can throw it. You can throw and fix it. I will show you again. Release. Yeah, and fix it up. So just throw it. Once you throw, it will go and lock at the same position, and then you can release it. So I hope we have explained the video quite well and everything is clear. So now once I will just show you the release and lock. See, this is the smaller assembly. It's very easy for you to understand because the lever for this assembly is completely separate, and a smaller one which will be mounted only when you are going to use this smaller diameter, and when you want to use the bigger one, see, now we have well labeled. You have two levers over there. I will show you practically. See, this is a release lever, so we have well mentioned that this one is a release lever, and here the other one that you see, extended one, this is a locking arrangement. So we have mentioned here pull and lock. That means you are going to pull it up and lock the assembly on the top. So here we complete the video from our end, and hope this will be quite helpful to you for your use and application. Thank you so much.